This is immigration attorney Parviz Malakouti, and I was speaking to an individual yesterday about the types of responses that an individual can get when they submit an immigration application to USCIS. The individual kept referring to acceptance and denial, but really there are four major responses, four types of responses you can get from USCIS when you submit an immigration application, including two that most people don't know about. So first of all, I think everybody understands what an acceptance and a denial is, right? If you submit the application and you get an acceptance, it means you are going to be granted the benefit that you applied for. If you accept a denial, it means you were rejected. The application was rejected. However, you can also get a third type of response, which is a request for evidence. The acronym is an RFE. Request for evidence means basically that the officer that was adjudicating your application has determined that they don't have enough information in order to determine whether you are eligible for the benefit or not. Okay, so it's asking for additional evidence. There can be simple RFEs and complex RFEs. I've seen an RFE which asked for a single question on the application to be answered simply because it was mistakenly left unchecked. And then on the other end of the spectrum, there are complex RFEs which can ask for a myriad of documents, a myriad of follow-up on certain types of questions, and even our legal argument is supporting why you are eligible, why you should be granted that benefit. So that's an RFE. Typically, the applicant has 30 to 90 days to respond to the RFE. If you don't respond to the RFE, it means that the adjudicator is going to make a decision on the application based off of the information that they already have. The fourth type of response that somebody can get from USCIS is called a notice of intent to deny. The acronym is NOID. Immigration lawyers call it a NOID, okay? And it's like an RFE, but it's more negative, okay? The adjudicator in this case, in the case of a NOID, has determined that you are not eligible for the benefit that you are requesting, but you are gonna get an opportunity to present compelling evidence supporting the idea that you are eligible, that you are entitled to that benefit, okay? A NOID is more negative. If you don't respond to the NOID, it's likely that your application is going to be denied. Okay, so the four types of responses you can get are acceptance, denial, request for evidence, and a notice of intent to deny, a NOID. I hope this video helps. If you have any questions, just write them in the comments or feel free to email me. Thank you.